Did he?
NFTs.
Okay. Where's Chris? Is she coming back on stage?
I sent everybody a text.
They enjoying themselves, huh?
Where's Chris?
Yep.
Is she coming back on stage?
I sent her. All right, we live. Thank you for attending the 2021 Black Writers on Tour. It was a phenomenal event that you put on, Dr. Rosa. You are amazing, and you brought some amazing people from Dr. Claude to Crystal Mitchell, Cliff Pierre, John Matthews. It was just dynamic day. India Austin, it was just great being here with all these dynamic, motivated, gonna get it done African American or Black people, excuse me. What they call it, Folsom people.
To tell you.
Folsom people. I gotta re-educate myself. I gotta turn it now. That's okay. I got most of what he said. I'm trying to now have to implement it.
Wow, I'm excited. This has really, truly been an awesome day. All the information. I just wish I could have attended every seminar and every booth. I got around to as many as I could. I found some awesome guests from this that I can have on my show. And I'm sure Krista found her some guests too. The young writer was just mind-boggling.
Oh, she was amazing.
Yes. That's the future president of the United States. Okay, I'm telling that girl is awesome. Cliff did his thing. Oh, you guys just brought this home. You knocked it out the park.
We was trying to keep up with you, Dr. Rosie. I seen you in there talking about the books. You know, you can't write from the grave, so you got to stop doing this now. That ain't going to let you out.
That was legendary. Legendary. You can't write it from the grave.
No, you can't. I can see him down there now trying to dig himself out. Lord, let me go back. Give me one more chance. If you let me, don't come back here dead. Don't come back here dead. Oh, this was so awesome. The great people that we met. And people who are new to this, they're loving this platform. That, you know, sometimes it's hard to get used to something new. People who only been used to Zoom, we're going to have to get used to a whole lot of newness. We're moving into an era of all newness, you guys. I'm telling you, a lot of old stuff you're going to have to leave behind. That's like going from the wash and rub bowl to the washing machine. Come on, you guys. We got to, I'm sure some people said, no, I ain't going to put my clothes in that washing machine. It may tear them clothes up. They were scared to put their clothes in the washing machine because they were used to washing on that rub board. Once they got them in that machine, oh my God, how did I do that so long? That's how you're going to be saying about the future movement. I am so excited. Oh,
this was an incredible event, Dr. Rosie. How long you been doing this for?
It's 25 years.
What made you start at that first year? Can you share everybody that story, year one?
Yeah, because I wanted people to, number one, I wanted to encourage people to write. In order for us to preserve our culture, it's going to be through writing. And I wanted to get young people involved because they will be the one who are able to write our future when those older are gone. We have to continue the legacy of telling our stories, you know. And it's so important. And it's interesting because I see a lot of stories now. Someone did Mahalia Jackson's story. Someone did Aretha Franklin's story. We've seen a lot of documentaries now that, and we'll be a part of that. They'll be writing about us one day.
They'll be about you.
Right, though. They better write it right if they're writing about me. It better be right.
But we want to, as you say, we want to write our own story.
Right. Yeah, I'm excited. And all the vendors, I just appreciate you because you guys, if it was not for you, we wouldn't have been able to have this function. So we hope that you understand the benefit for the future. Go make contacts and keep doing what you're doing. Be on the superhighway. This is the moment. You must seize the moment.
The moment. Go ahead, Reggie.
Oh, no, you just have to be in the room.
I was going to say, seize the moment. Today was all about seizing the moment. If you did not make any connections with people, you still got about 12 more minutes, I believe, the event. When does it end, Reggie, completely?
4 o'clock, baby, 4 o'clock.
Right. So we got 12 more minutes. So if there's anybody that you'd like to connect with, you still have the opportunity to connect with them. I'm here as a resource. Reggie's here as a resource. Dr. Rosie will help you get your book done. She'll help you write, publish, and sell more books. Can you explain more about that, Dr. Rosie?
Yeah, it's a new day. You know, the major publishers shaking in their boots because people are learning to do it for themselves. You know, I am from South America, you know, better known as Mississippi. And so I know I'm a farm I'm a farm girl, so I believe if I'm going to pick the cotton, I'm taking it to the gin, and I'm gonna get paid for the cotton. Okay, it's not going to be a middleman in my stuff. I don't need no middleman. I can take it from, if Dr. Anderson said, from the boat to the throat. Okay, that's how we got to roll.
There you go. On that note, I'm going to get out the way. Please visit all the vendors for the next 10, 11 minutes in the expo area. Connect with somebody, elevate yourself, make a difference in somebody's life, and you also make a difference in your pocketbook.
That's
Develop
right.
those relationships.
Get their phone numbers, go to their booths. You can network with them later, you know, and take your business to the next level. This is the best time to ever. Like I said, this is the only time that I witnessed in my life where people are looking for Black-owned business. So, folks, be visible.
Amen. On that, I'm out. Have an exceptional day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. We look forward to 2022. We'll make that announcement next week, and we'll send everybody a thank you email. Thank you for attending.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you all. Have a wonderful Saturday. See you next year.
All righty.